Hey friends, my name is Kim Ludeman and I am a confidence connoisseur here to help you feel captivatingly confident. I have been working behind the scenes creating and crafting a guide that you guys have been asking for. One of the biggest words that pops up in our community is the word balance. And what I've done is taken what you've said and put into a guide going beyond balance. I have 3 practical steps that you can take, tools that you can implement in your life without spending any money, without time, or without a major overhaul of your lifestyle. There's no dieting, no pills, nothing to buy, just 3 steps to get you well on your way to feeling captivatingly confident. So you're probably like, okay, Kim, how do I get my hands on this? Well, let me tell you, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna head over to my website, captivatinglyconfident.com. The link is below, and you're gonna sign up for the email list. And I have to tell you, I'm not super into a lot of emails, so it's not like suddenly your inbox is gonna be flooded, because I know you already get a ton of emails. So every few weeks you can expect an email from me, but that is how you're gonna get your hands on this guide. And trust me, you want this guide. So make sure that you pop over to my website, join the email list. There'll be a pop-up as soon as you get to the page, and sign up so that you can get your hands on this amazing guide. And I would love it if you would join the Captivatingly Confident small group on Facebook. It's a community of women who are just like you, seeking true health and what having a body and a life that you cherish looks like. So head over there, give us your thoughts on the guide. I'm so excited for you to get that. It's going to be launching this week, so make sure that you stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled for that email, and I cannot wait to see what you think of it.